Hello everyone. In this, we will see the next problem, which is finding out the top k frequent elements. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the k most frequent elements. You may return answer in any order. So we have to return the k most frequent elements. Here, if you see the example one, here k is 2, so two most frequent elements, which is like 1 is repeated 3 times and 2 is repeated 2 times, so only we have to return 2. So that is the reason here we got 1 2. So if here there k was 3, then we would have got answer 1 2 3, because uh, 3 most repeated elements, right? If k was 1, then we would have got only 1, because 1 is most repeated elements in given array. And here only one element, and we have to return only one element, so that is the reason only one output, one as output. And the constraints are nums length is between 1 to 10 power 5, and the value of nums will be between this, and k range will be 1 to number of unique elements in the array. It is guaranteed that the answer is unique, so answer will be unique. And yeah, we will see the three methods in this for this problem. And it is also given that follow-up question: your algorithm time complexity must be better than the order of log n, where n is the array size. So two methods, time complexity is becoming order of log n, and the last method complexity becomes less than n log n. Let's see three solutions. Let me just annotate this one. And first we will see the first our first solution. Yeah, so in first solution we got here nums, and so this is our first example. We got 1 1 3 ones, 2 twos, 3 1 1 3, and k is 2. So initially we count each elements in given array using this for loop, and we create the dictionary out of it. So where key will be the value, and the value will be key will be the number, and value will be the frequency. So here 1 is repeated 3 times, so 1 is key, and 1 is repeated 3 times 3, and 2 is repeated 2 times, so that is the reason 2 is repeated 2 times. 3 is repeated 1 time, so 3 is repeated 1 times. So that's how we are storing here in creating the dictionary using this for loop. And then next, in k1 we will be creating taking the all the d1 values, which is here 3 2 1. And since it is asked for us to top k repeated elements, so here you can see 1 is repeated 3 times and 2 is repeated 2 times. These are the top. So if we are able to so here it is storing as a descending order, but it will store like randomly. So if we are able to sort these values, then we get top k elements, and then we will take in this method, this is what we are going to do. We will sort the values and take the top k elements, top we will sort these elements and take only top k elements. So you can see here, here we have taken the values in k1, and then we have sorted it. All the values we have taken of the dictionary, and then we have sorted it, and we have taken one scene, and in scene we have added only uh, top k elements. So top k elements. So that is the reason here in scene we got top 2, which is 2 comma 3, and then we have created here one answer array, and then we are iterating through the our dictionary, and we are checking if in dictionary if that element is in scene. So if the d of I in scene, then we are adding that element to answer. So that's how we get like our answer, because here what will happen is here this 3 is not present, so it will ignore this one, and 2 is 3 is present in scene, so it will take these elements, so it will add to and 1 will be added to answer, and 2 is present in scene, so 2 will be added. 1 is not present in scene, so 1 will not be added. So that's how it's going to work, and our answer will be 1 comma 2. So yeah, let's see the second method. Before going to second method, we will see the time complexity, since here we are this will take order of n, and this will take again order of n. This will going to take order of n log n, because we are sorting the n elements. Like in worst case, will if each element repeated only once, then like our dictionary size would be n. So that is the reason in that case this will become order of n log n, and then here this will take order of k, and this will take again order of n. So the highest one is this sorting one, so which is order of n log n. So that is the reason that is the reason time complexity for method 1 is order of n log n, and the space complexity is order of n. The reason is here we are using one dictionary, and here we are using a one set of size k, and here one more array we are using, which is size in worst case size goes to order of en. So that is the reason n plus n plus n plus k plus n, which is n order space complexity is order of n. And next we will go to the second method, which is using heap queue. So here you can see here we have imported heap queue, and that is what we are going to use in this one. So initially we get the array, and we are creating two array, one array and dictionary. Same like method 1, here we have created this counter of each elements, and then next we are iterating through the dictionary, and pushing it to heap queue. So if you like in heap queue, each element will be added this way. Here like in this is priority heap, so that is the reason according to priority heap elements will be added. Like each time the element is added, the heap will get readjusted according to the priority given priority. So it works as a build max, but in build max each time the maximum element will be at root node, and the minimum elements will be at child levels. So in one of YouTube video I'll explain this concept, but anyway it will work as a build max, and according to priority this get sorted. For example, initially we have added d of I and to I1, which is 1 1 1 3. Here 1 3 1 is priority, so it added on top 1 3. If initially if we have added 2 3, it would have added 2 3 here, but later when we add 1 3, this 2 3 2 2 will go down, and 1 3 becomes come to up because of its priority. Its priority is 1 and its priority is 2, and then its priority is 3. So that's how those values get added. Then later we are removing n largest, which that is the reason we get n largest uh, priorities. N largest priorities here we are getting in k element, and we here in for loop we are iterating through that n largest, and we are adding to answer, and we are returning the answer here. So this will also take the order of n log n time complexity, because this will take order of n, and this will take order of n, and this will take order of log n, because for adding into tree it will take order of yeah, like it will in worst case it will take order of log n, right? Because it will move from top to bottom. So that is the reason this and also this will take order of k. So the highest term is this for loop is taking highest, so that is the reason order of n log n. And the space complexity is order of n, because here we are using one array, one dictionary, and one array. This will be the size, this will be size of k, and this will be in worst case this will be size of n, and even the array will be the size of n. So that is the reason our space complexity is order of n. So next we will go through the solution 3. In this also we are initially creating the dictionary. Excuse me. In this also we are creating dictionary initially. So this dictionary we will create which counts the each elements, and then next we are creating a list of list. So list of list of size n, where n is the length of given array. So here the given array length is 6, so that is the reason we are creating a list of size 6 with, and each contains one separate list. And then we are iterating through this dictionary and adding the elements to dictionary. So here what we are doing is, here we are adding for example the frequency of 1 is 3, so 3 will be added to 1. So these are the indexes, but these are the like first element, second element. That's like for that, for easy purpose I have defined 1 2 3 that way. So 3 will be added at 0th index because, and it represent 1. So and 2 will be added to 1 added at 1th index, first index, and which represent number 2. And 1 will be added to second index, which represent 3 repeated 1 time, 2 repeated 2 time, 1 repeated 3 time. That's how it's going to represent. And then later we will iterate through the given array. So we will count each time, like we will maintain a temp. We will count each time, like we will iterate from last onwards. So each time if there is an element we will extend that element to answer. So here there is no element, here one, no element, here there is a one element, so we will add this to answer. And then temp becomes 1, and then we will add this to again our answer, and temp becomes 3. So this condition becomes false, so we will break it here. So here this will again takes order of n, and this will take order of n, and this will take order of and this will take order of n k, and this will take order of k because we will be iterating till k elements itself. So this is order of k. There is how this is taking order of n plus k is n is this we are iterating through dictionary elements, and we are adding to array, so that will take only uh, k, because uh, we will be adding for example, here we will be adding, like each time we will be adding, it will be taking only one, uh, each time it will be taking one. Here it is taking order of one, but in worst case it will go till k. So that is the reason the time complexity is order of n plus k. So this is our three solutions, and this is also takes space complexity is order of n, because here one dictionary we are using, and here one more array we are using, and this array also the size of n. So that is the reason the space complexity is order of n. Yeah, that's it. And I have shared this solution in the description in LeetCode. So I'll share the link of this solution, and also the image that we have discussed. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.